Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. A hot lemongrass ginger tea is a perfect herbal drink on cold days. It helps to warm your body and keep away the chills. Not just in the winter time, lemongrass ginger tea can also be made into a simple dessert to enjoy in the summer. Let's first prepare the lemongrass and ginger. Trim the root. Then cut off about 2 inches of the wood. You can then easily separate the layers. Throw away the discolored outer layers. Wash each piece thoroughly to remove any dirt, especially at the end of the leaves. Trim away any discolored parts. Otherwise, the whole lemongrass can be used to make tea. Smash and cut into small pieces. Also smash and cut up the roots as well. Peel and slice some ginger. Bring 4 cups of water to boil. Add in 1 ounce of ginger. Do not add too much ginger unless you really like spicy. 4 ounces of chopped lemongrass. Bring it to boil again and simmer for 30 minutes. The longer you simmer, the stronger the tea. Just be sure to maintain a gentle simmer so you won't lose too much water. You should end up with 3 cups of tea in this recipe. Strain the tea and it's ready to enjoy. This tea tastes great by itself, but adding a little bit of sugar or honey will certainly boost its taste. Let's now take a look at the steps in transforming this tea into a dessert. Dissolve 0.35 ounce of gelatin into 1½ cup of tea. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir constantly on medium or low heat and bring it to a boil so the sugar and gelatin will dissolve completely and evenly. Slowly pour the liquid into a container. Pop or spoon out any bubbles and let it cool. Then put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. We will now prepare the second layer. Same amount of tea and gelatin. Bring it to a boil and remove it from the heat. Then add 3 tablespoons of honey. Do not heat the honey. It will destroy its essential enzymes and nutrition. In addition, it will also degrade its taste. The first layer is ready when the liquid is set but still soft to touch, so the layers can stick together. 30 minutes is just a general guideline. The time required depends on the thickness and the initial temperature when you first put it in the fridge. Pour in the tea. Beware that the tea cannot be too hot. The lower layer will melt and deform. Refrigerate it for a few hours. When it is completely set, run a knife along the sides. Slowly release it from the container. Cut into cubes with a sharp knife and enjoy. Sugar and honey have substantially different tastes. Combining the two adds an extra layer of flavor to this wonderful treat. It also looks nicer. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.